homemade ginger oil to replace pain pills, cough syrup, antibiotics and more. Extracted from ginger root, ginger oil benefits you by relieving pain and motion sickness. This uplifting and energizing oil has a wide range of uses. With its yellow color, pleasantly pungent aroma, and thin consistency, ginger oil is something you want to include in your diet immediately. So, keep reading and find out more about this oil that it is gaining popularity for the numerous benefits it possesses. Uses of ginger oil. When applied topically, ginger oil can relieve pain and aches, and promote normal blood circulation. Due to its soothing and warming properties, ginger oil can treat digestive problems as well. Actually, this is one of the most popular uses of ginger oil, relieving any digestive problem, such as indigestion, gas, diarrhea, nausea, and morning sickness. How to use ginger oil for other health problems. Apply 2-3 drops in a diffuser and inhale. This will boost your energy levels and revitalize your mind, soul, and body. Mix 2-3 drops in an ounce of carrier oil and use this oil for massage. It will relieve arthritis, rheumatism, backache, fractures, muscle pain, revitalize your libido and stimulate your circulatory system. To relieve gas and diarrhea, apply a drop on your abdomen and gently massage. To relieve sinusitis, sore throat, and runny nose, you should inhale via a diffuser or vaporizer. Add it to your hot bath or apply a few drops on a hot or cold compress and place it on the painful areas. Composition of ginger oil. Ginger oil contain powerful mono and sesquiterpenoids, including 1,8-cineol, nerol, geraniol, B-bisabolene, B-sesquiphelandrine, and xenibrine. Moreover, it contains linalool, nerol, geranyl acetate, geraniol, apine, B-pine, borneol, camphene, and white-terpeneol. Benefits of ginger oil. The numerous benefits of ginger oil are due to its powerful anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, analgesic, digestive, carminative, expectorant, and stimulating properties. It can treat many health problems, including ginger oil's many benefits are attributed to its anti-inflammatory, digestive, expectorant, antiseptic, carminative, analgesic, and stimulating properties. It's helpful in alleviating various health problems, such as 1. Stomach and bowel-related problems. Ginger oil has the ability to improve digestion, and it is an excellent remedy for dyspepsia, spasms, flatulence, and indigestion. Moreover, it is recommended for individuals who are trying to gain weight as it can increase the appetite. 2. Food poisoning. Due to its potent antiseptic and carminative properties, ginger oil can treat food poisoning, bacterial dysentery and intestinal infections. 3. Malaria and yellow fever. According to a study, ginger oil can repel Anopheles cooliciphaces mosquitoes, which are the main cause of malaria in tropical countries. 4. Respiratory problems. This oil can treat coughs, bronchitis, breathlessness, flu, and asthma. In fact, fresh ginger can eliminate mucus from lungs and throat, and is usually added to tea because of its soothing effects. 4. Relieves pain. Ginger and ginger oil can reduce prostaglandins, compounds related to pain. 5. Heart ailments. The regular usage of ginger oil can reduce the risk of arteriosclerosis, blood clots, and lower the bad cholesterol levels in the blood. People who consume ginger regularly can reduce their risk of coronary heart disease by 13%. 7. Hypertension. The regular consumption of ginger can reduce the risk of developing hypertension by 8%. According to a 2005 study, ginger can lower blood pressure by blocking the voltage-dependent calcium channels. 8. Chronic disease. The journal Nutrition published a study which showed that the daily intake of 2-4 grams of ginger can prevent numerous chronic diseases. 9. How to make ginger oil. Needed ingredients: fresh ginger, 1 1/2 cups olive oil, oven-safe bowl, cheese grater. Directions: You should rinse a cup of fresh ginger, including the skin, and let dry for a couple of hours. Pour the olive oil into an oven-safe bowl. Chop the ginger, then use a clean cheese grater to shred. Add to the olive oil and make sure to mix well. Put the mixture in the oven and let it simmer under low heat, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 hours. You should pour the mixture through an unbleached cheesecloth in order to filter it and eliminate the bits of ginger. Next, squeeze out the remaining oil from the cheesecloth and transfer the ginger oil into bottles. Make sure to keep it in a cool and dry place. You can keep the ginger oil fresh for up to 6 months. Is ginger oil safe? In general, ginger oil is safe for use as long as it is not used in very strong concentrations. Those who have sensitive skin are recommended to do a skin patch test before they decide to use ginger oil in order to find out if they have any allergic reactions to it. You can also dilute the ginger oil in other carrier oils, such as bergamot, frankincense, ylang-ylang, neroli, sandalwood, and rose. Make sure not to apply ginger oil on skin areas that will be exposed to the sun within 24 hours after application because ginger oil may be phototoxic. Pregnant women are recommended to consult their doctor before using ginger oil, while young children are not allowed to use it at all. Side effects of ginger oil. It is not recommended to use ginger oil if you have any sensitivity to ginger root. Ginger oil can cause some side effects, including nausea, heartburn, sores in the mouth, and skin rashes, if you use it topically. Also, it is very important to consult your physician in a case you are taking some medications.